my trainers, my team, my styling team, my image team, lahat. Ali, who has been there from the very beginning, my family, my friends. I'm just the one standing there, but I carry everyone's hopes and dreams with me when I compete there. I'm just the symbol, ako lang yung representation nyo, pero everything I do is to represent the talent of the Filipino people, to represent the dreams and the hopes of the Filipino people. So, maraming salamat to my entire team. Miss Universe Philippines org, who's super helpful to me, even if sometimes pasaway ako. my team na kahit anong oras ng umaga, kapag may biglaang ganap or anything, ready to the rescue para maganda ako, para buo ako sa araw na yun. And I don't know, there's everyone around here in this room. This journey is really for you. A big part of why I do pageants is so that I could help inspire people to go for their dreams. And I'm very grateful that all of you are helping me reach mine.
Syempre, as a sister, Miss International sister, I know there's a huge difference between both Miss Universe and Miss International. I know you have to scrape from the bottom to restart and train for Miss Universe. Under the leadership of my sister Ariela Anita, what kind of pasabog or difference do you think that we are going to see from your Miss International journey to now the biggest stage, Miss Universe? We want to hear a little bit of that. Syempre, we're all expecting. And of course, listen to your mommies. Remember, listen to the ones who brought you there. Yun ang pinaka-importante. And lahat ng matigas ang ulo, usually may crown sila. So, winner girl. So, you're on the right track.
You know, I actually beg to differ with what people usually say, that you have to change yourself to fit Miss Universe. I think the organization is much more sophisticated than that, in a sense that they don't look for a cookie cutter queen. They look for someone who is a good representation of certain hopes and dreams and advocacies. And I think that I really don't need to change who I am to fit the Miss Universe crown, because if it's for me, it will be for me. I believe in destiny. I believe that I am enough as a person of who I am and the things that I've been through, the things that I can share with people, that there is no need to pretend to be a certain kind of person just to attract people.